right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, I say may God bless you all guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much for helping me to grow this channel guys. Thank you so much. And today's video, it's all about this wig. If you want to know how it was done, please do watch my video to the end. And see you on my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so today guys, I'm going to be styling this very wig. Okay, this is my handwork. Yeah, I made the wig. Yeah, so I'm going to be styling this very short wig. This is 10 inches guys. I use 10 inches and 8 inches at the front. Yeah, so sorry for not showing you how I sew the wig. You know, I've done so many of this on my video, so I just decided not to film this. Okay, so although it's a center part, you see, it's a center part, but I'm going to be styling it on the side parts. Okay, lots of people have been sending me message that why do I always go for short wig. You know, this is summer, so that is what I like. I love using short wig on summer because it's very hot everywhere. It's so hot, you know. As you can see today, I'm putting on this, you know. So I have so many long wig. Yeah, so I'll be showing some of the long wig on a very good day, but right now I will just continue with my short wig. Then the summer is over guys, so you just have to bear with me for now. All right guys, let's jump into the video. Let's start to style this very wig. Okay. All right, so this is it. So this is it guys. You can also leave it like this. You see, it's so beautiful this way anyway, you know, it's so beautiful. I love it like this, but today I'm not going to be leaving it this way. Yeah, so what you do, if you have something like this, don't worry yourself or don't bother of going for another side part like this. No, don't bother. Don't just disturb yourself if you don't have that money to get another wig for yourself. Okay, so what you have to do is just to pull the hair like this. Okay, put it to the side you want. If you want it to come down, no problem, you can still do that. You see, so beautiful like this. I love this so much. See, so mine will just go ahead to push it more. Okay, you see, so make sure everything is okay. You see the way it is. Then take your brush, just do it like this, the way you want it. So if it's too done, then just bring it back a little. Depend on where you want your side parts to be. Okay, you see, so beautiful like this. Then just like this. This is how I want mine to be. Then just go ahead, take your stretcher, make it straight. You see, do the same thing again. Okay, you see, so alright, again. Okay, you see, so here is okay, but if you still want you can still do it to bob more. Okay, just take it like this. All right, you see, you just bob more. The back, I think, is okay. See? Don't mind this play because the fan is just coming. That's why it's like that. Okay, so you see, like this is okay. All right, so that is it, guys. Now we are going to style it. What should we do is to take whatever thing you have to hold your hair. Like I have this, so I will just go ahead to raise the hair like this. Don't mind my fan just because everywhere is too hot, guys. So just take it like this, you see. So I have my gel, but you can also leave it like that if you want. For me, I just decide I love bringing some of the hair like this. You don't need to cut it if you don't want. Like me, I don't want, because I might need it when I want to go for center part. Okay, you see. So bring out little one again like this. Just slip it. You don't need to follow my style if you don't want this. Okay, so you see the way I'm just see it.
I think it's hard how we always wait
like this.
How we watch things that careless walk away.
You see, so now I will just go ahead and remove this, then take something like this, you see, okay, use it to brush it down. Then remove this, then do the same thing.
Can you be here? I'm good.
So what do you think? Alright, guys, that is all. So simple and so fast, guys. You see?
Right there, top of the moon.
So this is it, guys. So what do you think? You see, so beautiful.
To just fly away. I don't wanna care.
You see?
This
is it, guys. You see? So perfect. Perfect. You see?
Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
So that will be all. Hope you enjoyed my video.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that careless walk away. Let's live